Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
Everyone, no? Ayan. Welcome to Live Good. Yeah.
Recording it.
Welcome to
This
Live
meeting
Good.
is being
Live Good
recorded.
officially launched globally on December 13, 2022. So, kaka 1 year niya lang po noong nakaraang buwan. Right? And Live Good is a US-based direct sales company focused in these two things, the wellness and digital service industry. So, alam naman natin na malaking industry to, and of course health is wealth, and lahat ng ginagawa natin ngayon, no, is halos online na, right? So di natin maiwasan talaga yung paglago, right? Pag-improve ng digitalization, right? So ating fulfillment center po ay nasa Jupiter Park, Florida. Yan. So si Live Good po is a club membership that pays. Yan. So bakit? Yan. So, of course, explain natin yan ngayon din. So, unlike most some business opportunities, Live Good is not about overpriced products. While maraming mga companies out there, nagtataasan na po yung presyo ng kanilang mga products. So, dito, we are about saving people money on health products. Yes, literally. Okay, so ngayon, if you have a passion for health and wellness, then this is for you. If you have a passion for helping people, then this is also for you. And if you're not looking for get-rich-quick scheme, then definitely this is for you. Kaya tune in ka lang, don't tune out. Alright? So, Live Good is not like any other mga traditional or mga Jurassic, gigantic na mga direct selling or MLM companies. So, ano bang meron dyan? So, number one, may product package. Right? Kumbaga, simula po pa lang, nabentahan ka na. Ayan. Okay? So, yan pag traditional. And mostly sa mga package na yan ay overpriced. Aminin man natin sa hindi, overpriced yung products. And number 3, left and right pairing system. So, mostly, lalo na sa atin, mga local companies, so hindi naman tayo against or sinisiraan though marami din naman kumita, pero ang downside kasi niyan pagka isa lang yung leg na gumagalaw dyan is that hindi kikita. Right? So, kailangan mo talaga ng dalawa. Okay? And number 4, monthly maintenance on Unilevel. So, kailangan mong bumili ng products every single month. Meron iba 500, 2, 5, 3, 6,000, 9,000 worth of products every month para ma-qualify sa position and makuha mo yung commission. Ganun po siya. Number 5, fifth pair incentive. Kung makakita mo na, ginawa pang puntos. Ayan. Okay? And number 6, limit of encoding. Yan, so limitado. Kumbaga yung paglipad, paglago ng tao, ng leaders, yan, so malilimitahan din kasi limitado eh. Pati yung kita, right? Lalo na sa mga sabay-nari, no? So, ganun kasi may tinatawag na safety net. And isang reason din na yan, number 7 is may flash out. Alright? Kumbaga, kung may mga waiting to be paired ka, nasa kabilang side mo, whether it be 10, 20, 30, 50, 6 figures or even 7 figures na waiting to be paired, pag sumobra sa kabila ng encode, sabihin natin maximum 5, naging 6 yung bang, back to 0 yan lahat. Okay? So, na-experience namin yan, no? Na previous company talagang, kumbaga, patibayan na lang, no? Mumotivate na lang. Ayan, okay lang yan, di ba? Malakas ka. Pero deep inside, syempre, low moral din kasi ilang months din na binild. Yan, tapos magsisiro lang, no? So, ganyan. And number 8, unexplained deductions. We don't know kung talagang totoo ba talaga yan. Miscellaneous fees. Ayan, o kung ano mga fees, no? And number 9, may high attrition. Yan. Kasi dahil sa mga reasons na yan, ang mga tao, maraming mga nag-quit kasi nasa nag-stay. Yung mga stay, yung mga kumikita. Pero yung mga nag-quit, yun talaga ang dahil sa mga reasons din na yan. Alright? But here's the good news. Here in Live Good, wala na po yan. Alright? Kasi obsolete na yan eh. Okay? Kumbaga sa technology pa, keypad yung mga ganyang mga yung technology. So dito na po yung bago ngayon. Alright? Ayan, the iPhone. Ayan, the iPhone, the new technology, no? Alright? So andito na si Live Good, wherein wala tayong product package. Alright? Di ka dito pagbebentahan, hindi na rin overpriced yung products. Yan. And of course, wala na tayong pairing system. Ayan, kahit isang leg lang, ayan, kahit wala pang refer, may chance pa rin na kumita. Yan. O paano later explain natin. Alright? So, wala na tayong ganyan, pairing system, monthly maintenance sa Unilevel. So, pagkalaki, every month, nire-require ka na bumili ng products. Yan, para ma-qualify sa rank and income. Wala na tayo niyan, ha? Alright? Fifth pair incentive, wala na rin. Dito, unlimited yung encoding, wala nang flash out. Of course, wala nang unexplained deductions and kabaliktaran ng kanina. Dito, merong high stickability. Yan, wala na tayong, of course, hindi na natin maiwasan yan. May mga tao talagang hindi pa maintindihan yung negosyo, pero mas marami nag-i-stay. Ayan, alright. So, ayan po, no? So, yun yung best part. And of course, here are some of the reasons why Live Good. So, amazing yung products. So, pag US company, so no questions asked na yan. So, amazing yung products talaga. And, of course, incredible yung prices. So, ito yung pinagkaiba natin sa iba. Kahit US-based company tayo. Okay, literally talaga. Meron tayong comparison later. So, share ko rin sa inyo. 3 and number 4, no auto shipping and monthly products to buy. Right? So, hindi ka na dito pipilitin na bumili ng products every month para ma-qualify sa commission, ma-qualify sa rank mo. So, wala na yan. Alright? So, di ka pipilitin talagang complete freedom. And number 5, 90 days empty bottle money back guarantee. Then within 90 days, pag di mo nagustuhan yung products or nagkaroon ka ng adverse effects sa health mo, right? So, pwede mo isauli yung laman ng products, no questions asked, ibabalik sa yung pera mo. Right? So, ganun tayo ka-confident with our products na of course, quality. Kasi kung hindi tayo confident, baka masauli lang lahat ng products. Di po ba? Yan. And number 6, number 1, business to join. Ayan. Alright. So, kung bakit, number 1, so meron akong i-share sa inyo. And so, if you know business for home, so para po yung Forbes magazine of direct selling. So, nagkaroon po ng voting and tao po yung nagboto nito, ha? Ayan. Pwede nyo i-research yan, no? Ayan. Kasi, alam ko, siyempre, gusto nyo makasigurado kung okay ba yung company. So ito po, no, yan, to give you a idea. Yan. So nagkaroon po ng voting po the top direct selling comp plan last year. Yan. So, bago lang ito si Live Good. I think mga 4 months pa lang, pero matindi. Bakit? Nag-top 5 po si Live Good. Yung iba, 10, 20, 30, even 50 years na po sa industry. Pero si Live Good, kabago-bago lang, pero top 5. Diba? So, may kakaiba sa Complan. Okay? And ito naman, most trusted direct selling company of last year din. Mga yung top 5 ngayon, top 2 naman. O, sabi pa nga, no need to believe what I say. Let's see what the people say. Live Good is the or one of the most trusted company of 2023. Right? So, pinagkatiwalaan talaga siya kasi nga may kakaiba dito. Okay? Sabihin ko na sa inyo, Live Good offers affordability and value. Yes, yan po kung bakit maraming nagtitiwala. Alright? And, ano pa? Yan, kung ngayon top 2, okay, ayan. Yan, so recently lang, ayan, nag-top 1 na po si Live Good. Alright? Yan, top 1 na top direct selling company of this year, 2024. Okay, so may kakaiba po talaga sa company ito. Alright, so para mas maintindihan mo, okay, i-explain din natin ngayon. Alright, ano ba yung mission ni Live Good? Simple lang, to people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Ganun ka-simple but yet powerful. So meet our Live Good corporate team. Yan, ating CEO na may 20 years plus na of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies. Yan, so sila po itong ni Sinoder, Director of Network Marketing. So sila po ay nasa business side po. And combined, they have over 50 plus years of experience. Alright? And very hands-on po yan sila. Nagpapakita sa ating Zoom, nagbibigay ng updates. And of course, sa mga walang idea, Ben is an IT guy. So, hindi po masasabotahe yung sistema natin. Okay, unlike sa na-experience namin dati, no? So, grabe talaga. Okay, hindi madali pag, pinagkatiwala mo lang, sa ibang tao, hindi mo pa kilala. Pero ito guys, we are confident na, of course, pang long term kasi yung system natin, we're confident kasi IT guy po yung ating CEO. Alright? And in his previous companies, sabi pa nga sa video, no, na close to $1 billion na po ang na-payout niyang commission. So, sobrang dami niya ng tulungan. And right now, ginawa itong si Live Good para mas marami pang matulungang kumita. Ayan. And not just kumita. Of course, matulungan sa kanilang health kasi andito yung ating mga product formulators. Ayan ang mag-partner. Ayan ang couple na Ryan and Lisa Goodkin. Ayan, they are the product of education, Director of Product Education and Director of Product Development. Ayan. So sila po nagpo-formulate. Ayan. And they make sure na of quality and purest, natural and sa pristine locations, no? Nakukuha yung mga ingredients natin. And of course, may mga testing din na later i-share ko din sa inyo. Ayan. So kung bakit ganun na lang yung record ng company in just, to give an idea, in just less than 13 months, no? In 13 months time, nahit po natin ang 1 million affiliate members. Yan. So sabi pa nga, true leadership creates true success. Alright? So, yan. To give you an idea, no? Ano ba yung future? Ano ba yung naghihintay sa atin dito sa Live Good? Why you should do this? Alright? Why you should take a look at what we have here in this company. So, alam niyo ba, si Amazon, nag-start siya ng pagbebenta ng libro ng 1995. Alright? And kumuha siya, isang kaibigan niya. So, pina-online niya po kasi si online, mas malaki yung reach eh. Okay? Ayan. So, kumbaga, wide range yung pwede mong, ma-market. Alright? So, lumago po. Alright? Ayan yung Amazon. Okay? Ayan. And right now, Amazon sells almost anything under the sun. Okay, so halos lahat ng po nandun na sa Amazon. Right? Nagsimula lang sa libro, pero right now, they almost have everything. So, si Live Good, nag-launch po tayo membership club with the best physician-grade nutritional products. Wherein kailangan natin, sa health natin, matulungan tayo yan sa pagiging healthy. And to give you an idea, Live Good will add products and services from other industries as well, like cleaning products, skincare, yan yung mga solar panels, yan mga digital products and many more, no? Apparel, ayan, mga appliances, right? Oh, so yun po yung ating future. We'll be the Amazon of network marketing. All right? So, yan, members save big with our membership model. Ayan. So, to give you an idea, no, yun nga, 1 million plus members na po tayo and still growing, no? Ayan. So, sa iba, yan, like YouTube Pro, Amazon Prime, Netflix, Sam's Club, Costco, and Disney Plus, na ang tao nagbabayad po dyan monthly or yearly and they have millions of members already. And to tell you, wala pong kitaan dyan. Ano pong nakukuha ng mga subscribers dyan or members, should I say? Oh, ano, 'di ba? Like sa YouTube, walang ads. All right? So tuloy-tuloy papanood mo Amazon Prime, mga free shipping, Netflix and Disney Plus. Kakapanood ka ng mga movies, Sam's Club and Costco. Magkakaroon ka ng discount sa mga products na nandoon sa loob ng warehouse nila. Right? So yun po yung na-enjoy. Kumbaga benefits na ino-offer nila. Right? But to tell you, wala pong kitaan dyan. Only with Live Good. So kung paano, i-discuss din natin yan later on. Okay? So yun po. Okay? And to tell you, we have over 20 and still counting life-changing products. Highest quality, of course, purest, most natural ingredients from the most pristine locations on the planet and world-class manufacturing facilities. So, world-class po talaga. So, no question na yan kasi, of course, made in the US, certified by the GMP, Good Manufacturing Practice, USDA. So, hindi po tayo drugs. We are licensed under USDA, United States Department of Agriculture. Kasi mga natural products po, meron tayo. Okay? Lab tested. Okay? So, isa-share ko din sa inyo mamaya kung ano mga test ginawa for purity and potency. And of course, 90 days empty bottle, money back, guarantee. Right? So, ito po yung mga na-launch nung last year, 2023, the CBD pain relief cream, the patches, sleep and energy, collagen, methylene blue, and creatine plus HMB. So, hindi pa ako mag-product demo sa inyo ngayon, pero bibigyan lang po ako ng konting idea sa inyo para at least meron kayong idea kung para saan po itong mga products natin. Okay? Ayan. So, ito po essential oils and highest quality products and beatable prices. Actually, na-launch na po ito nung nakaraang mga araw lang. Ayan. So, marami pong benefits yan, no? For depression, anxiety, para sa sakit ng ulo. Ayan. And pwede rin pang cleansing. And basta marami po. Pwede kayo mag-research. Alright? And ito, vitamins for children. Ayan, yung mga gummies. Yan. Hand-selected special ingredients, no artificial colors or other harmful ingredients. So, coming soon na po yan. Yan, the best po talaga. And to tell you, yung mga products natin, ayan nga po, may certificates of analysis. So, ganun tayo ka-confident. Okay? So, each product of Live Good is tested and approved under a recognized laboratory, Alternative Labs 4740S. Alright, diba? So, may mga certifications po. Okay? So, if you have kakilala na nasa medical field, so alam po yan nila basahin. Okay? And to tell you based sa aking research and sa my experience, no, is that ito lang po yung company nagbubukod danging nagpapakita ng kanilang certificates of analysis. I think meron naman yung iba pero private, pero ito public. So dapat talaga public po actually kasi dyan nakikita yung ganda ng products, kung okay ba, baka may harmful chemicals dyan or what. Ayan, so ganun tayo ka-confident. You can access our certificates of analysis on our website, www.livegood.com. Okay, nasa pinakababa, ayan po, certificates of analysis. Ganun kalupit. Okay, and ayan po, no, GMP certified tayo, hindi lang po isang area tinitinan, maraming area po. Okay, so the engine location, machinery, processing, sanitary maintenance personnel, right? And marami din tayong mga certifications like caffeine-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, soy-free, third-party lab tested, yung kanina yung certificates of analysis, 100% vegan, GMP certified, keto-friendly, non-GMO, nut-free, and of course, USDA organic. Ibig sabihin, wala pong insecticide, pesticide, herbicide, or mga heavy metals like mga mercury, ayan, lead, okay, or kung ano pa man na pwede makasira sa katawan natin. So organic po lahat ng products natin. Ayos. And we have wellness for all. So, of course, iba-iba naman yung pangangailangan natin. So, yan, lahat po ng kailangan natin, sa health natin, yan, pwede nating mabili po dito. Yan, so we have men's health, nutrition, women's health, skincare, body cleansing, anti-aging, immunity, weight management, and energy. Alright, so paano mag-order? Dahil nag-order dito, consumer and member. Pag consumer ka, you pay really low prices. And pag nag-member ka, you pay much lower prices. Okay, so ito rin guys, no, yung sobrang na-appreciate ko kasi si Live Good, available po siya in over 200 plus countries. Yes, you heard it right. Okay, literal po talaga, hindi lang yung global tayo pero puro mga mostly Pilipino lang din. Hindi po ha. So that means na in 200 plus countries, logistics ready po tayo. Okay, na matatanggap natin yung products, magagawa natin yung negosyo, and at the same time, makukuha natin yung payout natin. Yan, through iPayout or yung global e-wallet. Wow, amazing talaga, no? Kasi I've heard, no, may sa ibang companies, lalo sa atin, no, sa local, nag-ship sila ng products, iba hundreds of thousands, even millions, no? Hindi natatanggap ng distributor sa certain countries kasi nga kulang sa legalities. Okay? Kulang sa legalities. And the best part is sa Live Good, before pa siya launch, okay, available na siya in 200 plus countries. Hindi mo na kailangan problemahin yung legalities. Okay? No, iba nawawalan sila ng millions, no, na sales. Ayan. Malupit dun kasi hindi daw nababalik yung product sa company or sa nagpadala. 'Di ba? So sana, 'di ba? So loss 'yun, ang laking loss 'yun ng company, no. Sa atin, ayan, wala kang problemahin. Si company na mismo yung mag-ship. Yan. That means na drop shipping and e-commerce talaga. E-commerce ready tayo. Okay, made siya for global. Siyempre, kung ikaw papapiliin, no, anong gusto mo? Local lang or global? Doon ka na sa global. Malaki yung potential. Tama? Alright, so yan po guys, no. Sobrang ganda talaga. Okay, kasi nga, as in literally, global. Okay, so ngayon, members save up to 75% compared to products in other network marketing companies. Yan. So yan po yung ating natitipid. Yan, hindi savings ha. Okay? Hindi discount. Yan po yung natitipid natin compared sa products sa ibang company. Kasi yan, to give you an idea, no, siguro ano naman natin, mostly sa atin, alam yung story ni David and Goliath. So para mas maintindihan nyo, di ba, pinatumba ni David si Goliath with just one stone. Di ba? So, ngayon, itong si Goliath is representing those price gouging MLMs. And tayo po si David, si Live Good. So, ano po yung price gouging? This is not to badmouth or to bring down other companies or what. So, I'm just here to tell you what the truth is. Okay? Ayan. Kasi, actually, yung mga price gouging or yung mga companies na yan na nagpapatong ng pagkalaki-laki sa mga products nila, okay? Na, di ba, minsan i-hype pa tayo na, hindi, mahal to kasi high quality. But in reality pala talaga, nagiging mahal siya, alright? Kasi doon kinukuha yung commission ng mga distributors, top earners, yan, yung mga empleyado, yung kinukuha yung pampasweldo, country manager, of course, yung bayad sa artista, mga billboard, mga events, nako, kita ng company owner and of course, maintenance sa system and many more, dyan po kinukuha. Kaya aminin natin sa hindi, mahal po talaga, mostly, right? Pag nasa, MLM. Okay? Ayan, wherein, ang downside po niyan, according sa ating CEO, siyempre, siya naman may-ari, alam po niya yung number, 95% pag ganun yung konsepto, konti lang or wala talagang kinikita yung mga distributor. Okay, diyan nagsisimula yung pahirap and in 2.8 months or 3 months, nagkukwit po yung mga tao kasi pahirap eh. Yung na-mention ko sa inyo kanina, ganun po. Okay? Ayan. But good news kasi andito na si Live Good and sabi ng ating Director of Network Marketing, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. Guys, tapos na po yan. Alright? Tapos na yan yung mga price gouging. So, wala tayong magagawa. Pag hindi sila mag-adapt, hindi sila mag-adjust, yan kasi yung tao ngayon, wais na eh. Di ba? Wais na. People now are more looking on affordability and value. Di ba? So, wala, unti-unti silang hihina or mapapatumba talaga pag hindi sila mag-adapt. Alright? So, gaano ba kaganda yung mga natin, yung mga products, hindi lang sa quality kundi sa pricing, di ba? Oh. So, sa ibang company like itong essential oils natin, no? Ayan, makikita nyo dyan. Sa ibang company ko nabasahin yung name, no? Yan. Binebenta nila yung essential oils. Anim same din na parang ingredients, alright? And but I believe much higher quality yan sa atin. Kasi ba binebenta nila ng 200 plus or up to 250 plus yung essential oils sila. Sa atin magkano? 49.95. Ganun kalaki yung patong nila. And ganun yung masisave natin dito. Okay? Kaya pricing pa lang wala. Tapos na yung boxing talaga eh. O super green sa iba. May pare-parehong ingredients but I believe high quality and mas maganda sa atin kasi of course may testing. Kasi ba binibenta $70 to $100. O sa atin magkano? 18 dollars. Around 1,000 plus pesos. Grabe, nakaka-kanister pa. Yung collagen natin, sa iba binibenta $70 to $80. Sa atin magkano? 27.95. Yung creatine natin plus HMB. Sa iba binibenta $50 to $65. Sa atin 19.95. Grabe, no? Ganon kalupit. Diba? Kaya no wonder maraming mga, pag nakita to, no, maraming mga tao talaga. Okay? Maraming mga, nandito na sa ganitong field, no? Sa ibang bansa and even dito sa Pilipinas na lipat talaga, alright? Lipat talaga dito sa Live Good. Kasi ito pa lang, pricing pa lang, tapos na yung boxing. Di ba? Quality na, affordable pa. Ganun kalupit. Okay? Ito naman, nating iba-ibang products natin like International Wellness Pack and retail price 129.95 and 89.95 naman. 5,000 plus lang. Grabe, no? Tas free shipping pa. Grabe, di ba? Lupit. Ano pa? Itong ating organic coffee. Naku, mabango. Ayan, mabango kasi of course, try na natin. Mabango siya and kape po talaga siya, kape. Pero the best part kasi, hindi hilab yung tiyan mo. Ayan, sa mga acidic dyan. Ayan, goods po yun sa inyo. Right? Ayan, so retail price 24.95 and members price naman sa 95. Magnesium, paghirap kang matulog, ayan, and responsible po yan over 300 plus chemical reaction sa body natin. So, yan, needs natin yan, no? In retail price 14.95, members price 8.95. Alright? Ayan, so ito naman nating CBD oil, ayan. Okay, so you can check our website. So, di ko na mention isa-isa lahat. Kaya nandun po yan lahat yung ating mga pricing. Okay? Ayan. So, to tell you, there's an evolution po sa lahat ng negosyo. Tama po. Ayan. So, like, pag-access natin ng information, dati newspaper, eventually, naging radio, TV, right now, mga gadgets, smartphone, laptop, isang click mo lang, Google. Ayan. Who is Live Good? Ayan, Live Good. Ayan, dyan na agad, di ba? Pagbili din natin, dati, barter, di ba? Eventually, naging market, supermarket. And right now, e-commerce na. Ganyan, Amazon, eBay, Alibaba, Shopee, Lazada, TikTok Shop, and many more. Di ba? Ikikita nyo po ba? And same din sa type of business natin. Dati, old multi-level system, naging binary at multiple heads, hybrid binary with multi-level system. So, kumbaga, marami nang hinalo. No, may one account, may multiple accounts, may unilevel, stair step, and many more. Pero, same story pa rin. Price gouging. Wherein doon nagsisimula yung pahirap. And right now, nandito na po si Live Good. Affiliate marketing with subscription that pays. Yan, ito po talaga yung complete evolution. As in, di ba? Kasi, yung iba, pag hindi sila mag-evolve, hindi sila mag-adapt, if you don't evolve, you dissolve. You evolve or you evaporate. So, time and time, no, it has been proven, yung mga hindi nakapag-adapt is hindi talaga naglalast, no? Look at Nokia, no? So, sobrang uso dati, di ba? No? Hinahagis-hagis pa yung Nokia cellphone, pero dahil dumating si iPhone, Samsung, di nag-adapt yung Nokia. So, what happened? Di ba? Although andyan pa sila, pero hindi na sila masyadong kilala. Di ba? Oh, yung Blockbuster, 'di ba? Oh, na nagpaparenta sila ng VHS. Ayan, yung mga tape. O dumating si Netflix, same din nagpaparenta din pero nag-evolve sila online. 'Di ba? Look at them right now. Oh, 'di ba? And many other companies, and even nung pandemic, yung hindi nag-adapt sa online, what happened to them? Completely closed. 'Di ba? Oh. So, ganun talaga. That's life. Okay, change is the only constant thing in the world. 'Di ba? But here's the good news kasi complete evolution. One of its talagang kakaiba po talaga yung meron dito sa company ito. Alright? And mas i-discuss natin further ang konsepto na meron tayo, which is itong subscription or club membership. Alright? So ano ba yung subscription? And it is a model in which customer pay weekly, monthly, or yearly kapalit sa ano, products or services. Customers can renew their subscription after a certain period of time. Okay, in short, nagbabayad tayo sa mga company, a certain company, and pag nakabayad na tayo, na-enjoy natin yung benefits na ino-offer nila. For example, yung SIM natin, di ba? Meron dyan number. Ibig sabihin ng SIM, subscribers identity module. Ang tawag sa atin subscriber, di ba? Kasi nagpapaload tayo, na-register natin sa combo, no? And pag na-expire, paload tayo ulit pag gusto natin, di ba? Even yung cable mo, yan, kakanood mo ng mga, yung Batang Quiapo. Di ba? Yan sa may mga cable. O sa may mga internet, no? Fiber. Yan. Okay? Sa PLDT, Converge. Yan. Or sa Globe, no? O, babayad ka monthly. Na-enjoy mo yung internet. Even kuryente, tubig. Yan. Parang subscription na rin. Ganun po yun. Okay? Yan. So, bakit importante ito? Siyempre, na-enjoy natin yung benefits. Tama. And increase customer loyalty and strong customer base. Diba? Kasi sino ba dito yung gustong mawala yung kuryente, yung tubig, internet? Diba? So sa panahon natin yun, naging necessity na siya eh. Diba? So anong advantage ito? It lower the barrier to entry for products and services and allow more potential customer to purchase your products. Kasi hindi na masyadong pinagkakitaan ng company yung products or services. Kaya maraming nakaka-access. Maraming nakaka-afford. Kasi affordable siya. Di po ba? Yan. So right now, ito po yung ibang sample pa po, no? Yan, like Netflix, HBO Go, Amazon Prime, AVU, Viva Max, iFlix, and Discovery Plus. Alright? So marami pa po, no? And ito naman gym. Right? Di ba nagbabayad din yan monthly and para ma-enjoy mo yung facility doon sa loob, no? Gold Gym, Fitness Gym, Anytime Fitness. Alright? And ito naman mga traditional na life plans and security plans and the insurance, no? Kumbaga nagbabayad ka din dyan para if may natsugi, yan, may nangyaring hindi maganda, so may benefits din na kukuha. So that's subscription din. Alright? And to tell you, gano'ng kalaki yung subscription, guys, to tell you, okay, ayan, sabi pa nga dito, the global subscription industry is expected to reach $2 trillion by 2025. Anong year na ngayon? 2024 na. Ganun kalaki. Diba ang tawag nga dito is the unheard, ayan, unheard or undisturbed na yan na industry. Ang laki pala. Grabe talaga, no? Grabe, no? Imagine mo, nakihati tayo sa ganyang kalaking industry, trillion. Diba? Pag tinabaho mo din to, nako guys. Grabe po talaga. Alright? And yan, ano pa? Yan, no, yung idea, itong Netflix. Diyo ba, nung ending September 30 last year, ang kanilang revenue umabot ng 32.7. Grabe, no? Itong Zoom naman, tingnan nyo naman, no? Palaki ng palaki. No, last year lang, 4.3 billion from 4.1. Laki talaga, di ba? Na-enjoy naman natin dyan yung itong Zoom. Di ba? Siyempre, matagal tayo nakapag-usap dito. Alright? Amazon Prime with 35.22 billion subscription fees pa lang. Yung Costco, para makasave ka dyan, babayad ka monthly or yearly. O, tingnan mo naman yung trend, palaki. And they all have hundreds of millions of members already. Right? But, maraming nakapag-benefit niyan, pero walang kitaan. Right? Pero, let me ask you, what if may company na same concept yung business, club membership or subscription, but this time around, may enjoy mo naman ang kitaan or bibigyan ka ng share or dividend. Ayan, gusto mo bang tingnan ito? Ayan, alright. So ngayon, tatanungin ulit kita, Okay, kung ready ka na, ang tanong, no. Ayan, would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more per month? Ayan, sino ditong gustong kumita ng dollars? Ayan. Oh, right, type number 5. Ayan. Alright, type number 5 naman. Alright. So, of course, lahat naman tayo, no? So, kung interested ka, stay for the second part of the presentation. Okay, so ngayon, didiscuss na po natin, okay, ang ating kitaan. So, fully ready ka na? Alright? Ayan. So, ngayon, we also give you the opportunity to earn income with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. Alright? So, very exciting talaga to. Okay, kaya pakinggan nyo. Okay, so paano maging member? Register with your sponsors link. So, balik mo yung sponsor mo and pay 9.95 per month. So, yan po yung monthly subscription natin or around 590 pesos. And aside from that, meron tayong tinatawag na affiliate fee. Right? Para maging affiliate tayo, pwede tayong mag-promote ng meron sa Live Good. Alright? So, magkano? Around sa first month natin, mga around mga 2,950. Ayan. Or depende sa palitan. It can be less than that. Okay? Ayan. So, kung mag-a-annual ka naman, mga around 8,290 pesos or lesser than that. Depende sa palitan din. Okay? So, the best part sa annual kasi instead na whole year mong babayaran, 10 months lang. Pero, bayad ka na for the whole year. Kumbaga, discounted ka for 20% or 2 months. Ayan. So, kung kaya mag 1 year, di much better. Alright? Ayan. So, ngayon, dito naman is makakabili ka na ng products natin at wholesale or almost a factory price. Ayan. So, ano makakuha mo sa 49.95? Yan yung tanong. Ayan. Or sa 2,950 mo, 2,950 pesos. Ayan. Masabihin mo or tanong mo, Coach, may ano ba yan? Physical products ba agad? Okay. To give you an idea, hindi po yung traditional na direct selling company, right? Na binentahan ka. Dito hindi ka bebentahan. Yung products dito at membership, hiwalay po. Hiwalay po sila. Alright? So, anong ma-access nyo? Pag naging part ka nito, maging affiliate ka na, meron tayong tinatawag na access to membership club. So, lahat ng products natin and soon, mga services din is that ma-access nyo po online. So, we have this digital marketing product. So, of course, may mga websites tayo. And of course, participate in the compensation plan. And ang payout natin, pwede is direct deposit, ay payout or BitPay. Okay, so ngayon, the best part ito, no, is that meron tayong website. Not just 1, not just 2, but 5. Yes, you heard it right. 5 websites. Okay? Or hindi rin basta-basta, hindi rin biro ang pagpagawa nito. No? Ayan, meron tayong retail site wherein yan, parang Shopee, Lazada, no? Isisend mo lang yung link. Ayan, pagka nag-order yung customer mo, company na bahala mag-ship, pag-pack, makolekta ng bayad, and ikaw, tagatanggap na lang ng commission. Ayan, so e-com ready po talaga, drop shipping ready. Okay, so company na mag-ship niyan. And Powerline landing page. Ayan, okay. So, this part naman is that dito tayo nagpapa-member. And meron po yung short video wherein yung shinare ko rin sa inyo, okay, na 5-minute video, okay. So, sa nagpa-member, ayan, mag-reserve position and lock-in position po tayo dyan. And corporate site, about naman sa company. And ito naman nating super greens and reds na landing page wherein nandyan po yung product explainer. And of course, pag mag-order yung mga customer natin, nandyan po dyan, no? Sa baba, order lang. Ayan, imagine mo, ang laki ng maintenance ito. Okay, yung papagawa ka, ang laki, 50 to 100,000 plus. Grabe, no? Pero kasama na siya sa monthly membership natin. Lopet, di ba? So ngayon, nandito na tayo sa exciting part. Ayan, so ang kita naman natin dito is powered by Unilevel and Force Matrix. So wala tayo ditong pairing. Okay? Unilevel and Force Matrix na po. So we have 8 ways to earn pero magpo-focus po tayo dito sa 6. Okay, yung dalawa, bonus na lang po yan. Okay, so we have this weekly fast start, retail commissions, influencer bonuses, customer acquisition bonuses, diamond bonus pool, crown diamond bonus pool. So yan po yung Unilevel. Sa kabila naman matrix, and yung matching, hybrid po siya kasi pinagsama po silang dalawa. Okay, so isa-isahin po natin para hindi ka malito. So we have this quick money. Yes, quick money po talaga, mabilis. Okay, so kailangan lang natin syempre aralin at bigyan ng effort. Tawag nito is fast start bonus or in layman's term, direct referral. Yan, is a one-time $25 bonus from all new directs. One time lang po yan basta nag-join sila, okay, nagbayad ng $49.95. So if ever, meron kang apat na napa-join this week, may $100 ka. Oh, bukas na ba kagad? Hindi, in the following week. Okay? So, ang cut-off natin every Friday, 3 p.m. Philippine time. Okay? So, kung sino na-count doon, ayan, in the following week, doon i-release yung commission. Ayan, di ba? O, di ba? So, imagine mo, apat pa lang na-join mo, may $100 ka na, mayroon ka ng pang 1 year. Upgrade for 1 year. Di ba? Ganon kabilis. Basta willing tayo gawin, maglagay ng effort dito. Okay? So, quick money, fast start bonuses. So, infinite wide push and 10 levels deep. So, pag nag-rank up ka, mas malalim po, mas malaki yung pwede mong kitain. Okay? Ayan. Tapos, unlimited yung pwede mong i-refer, i-direct. Alright? So, to give you an idea, ito po yung sample computation. Ayan. And, grabe po. This part alone can easily beat other comp plan design. Okay? So, magbibigay ako sa inyo ng example. So, kaya naman siguro no, power of 5. Okay? Power of 5. Tama po. Kaya. Of course, kaya naman. Diba? So, yung power of 5, pag napa-join niyo po sila, okay, meron kang $125. So, tulungan din natin yung 5 natin. Level 2. Pag refer sila tigli 5, okay, meron ka ng, meron ka ng another 125 dun sa 25 na yun. Okay? So, ngayon, nag-refer ulit. 125 na. 312.5. So, assuming, up to 10th level yan, nag-diamond tayo, diamond ka. So, all in all, $6.1 million ang kinita mo. Ganon kalaki. Okay? So, walang time frame yan. It can be 2, 3, 4, even 5, or even 10 years. Ikaw, depende sa'yo. Okay? So, yan. Kinita mo is $6 million. Or, that's not 7, 8 figures. That is 9 figures. That is 349 million pesos. Ganon katindi. Ganon kalupit. Imagine mo, nagre-refer ka pa lang, tinutulungan mo pa lang yung team mo na kumita. Of course, kumita ka, kumikita din sila, tutulungan mo lang din. Kumikita ka ng ganun kalaki. Time will come, ganun kalaki. Grabe, no? Ganun katindi. O, meron sa atin mas masipag, kaya mag-30 directs, di ba? Tama. No. So, 30 directs. O, imagine mo, 4th level di ko natin tinapos. 2M. $2M. So, ngayon, total of $2 million yan. Lahat. Can be 3, 4, even 5 years. And not bad pa rin. 119 million pesos. Grabe, nagre-refer ka lang. Tulungan mo lang yung team mo mag-refer. Diba? Life-changing po talaga. Life-changing. Okay, so paano mag-rank up? Ang hirap. Grabe. Paano? Pag mag-bronze, 2 lang. Imagine mo, ganun kahirap, no? 2 lang. And up to 2nd level na yung benefits mo. Okay? So, kaya kung wala ka pa yung ibang kakilala, edi family mo muna. Unahin. Okay? Pag silver naman, dito walang back to 0 ha. So kanina may 2 ka, so another 18 ka na naman. Para 20 lahat, para mag-silver. Or di kaya 10 directs plus team of 20. Pwede yung 10, nag-refer tig isa. So team of 20 lahat. So yan, silver rank ka na up to 4th level benefits mo. Or di kaya 3 bronze na referral mo and team 20. Gold naman up to 6 level yung benefits. So at least 30 directs and team of 100 or di kaya 3 of your team na yung directs nag-silver, team of 100 or 4 of your directs. May tigta 30 yung tatlo, isa 10, team of 100, gold rank ka na. Platinum naman up to 8 level, at least 100 directs plus team of 500 or di kaya 3 of your directs na nag-gold plus team of 500. Okay? Ayan. Or number 3 of your directs may tigo 150, isa may 50, team of 500. Ayan, platinum rank ka na. Alright. Ayan, diamond naman is ayan, up to 10th level. Ito po yung elite rank natin. So, yung diamond po is around 2.5. Okay? 2.5 po yung total team. Ayan, tapos at least 3 directs na nag-platinum. O di kaya, option number 2 is that 5 of your directs may tig pa 500 na total team. Alright? So, yun, diamond rank ka na. And crown diamond. Yan. So, crown diamond naman, at least, 50,000. 5 leg mo na may tiga 10,000. Yun, crown diamond lang ka na. And to tell you, as of now, millions of members na po, pero dalawa pa lang po yung Crown Diamond. Okay? Oh. So ngayon, ito naman retirement money. Yan. So, ito yung matrix commissions. Alright? So, retirement money matrix commission. So, ito siya. Matrix commissions are $0.25. So, ngayon, ang system po kasi ay nag-a-assign or naglalagay ng tao under sa atin. Ang goal niya lang po is malagyan tayo ng tigda-dalawa. Alright? So, ikaw, nasa taas, lagyan ka ng dalawa. Yung dalawa mo, lagyan ng tigda-dalawa. Okay? So, dito, kikita ka ng 0.25 cents or 14 pesos each people or person na refer mo or refer ng sa taas mo na nalagay under you. Right? O, 0.25 cents po yan. Makikita mo na parang ang liit naman. Pero wag ka. Bakit? O, ganito muna yan mafe-fill yung matrix natin. For example, may refer sa taas. So, unahin mo na yung left tapos right. Tapos na-refer ulit yung taas mo. Okay, left tapos yan, left din dito sa second leg mo. Okay? Tapos right. So, left, right po lang talaga para lahat malagyan. Okay? Ganyan po yung pagpuno ng matrix po natin. Okay? So, ito naman po siya, yung up to 12 level pag unrank ka. Okay? Pag unrank ka, up to 12 level siya, that means na meron dyang 8,190 ka tao. So, 8,190 people times 0.25 cents, that is 2,047.50. So, yan po yung maximum na pwede mong kitain pag isa or wala ka pang ni-refer. Na napuno matrix mo ha. Take note, full matrix. Hindi next month, next month, hindi po. Pag mapuno yung matrix. Okay, pero don't worry, kahit may isa ka na dyan, 2, 10, 50, basta may tao ka na under you, nagsusubscribe, bibigyan ka na po ng commission. Ayan. So, hindi na po kailangan punuin yan. Kasi darating tayo din dyan lahat mapupuno din yung matrix natin. Alright? Ayan. So, ngayon, pag bronze and silver, double po siya. Right? Ayan. So, gold, platinum, dumouble din from 4,000 nag 8,000, 8,000 naging 16,000 is dollar yung commission mo sa matrix. Alright? So, ganun po. So, worth it ba siya? Kasi may iba nagtatanong na, merong mga busy. Yan, maraming ginagawa sa buhay. Alright? So, ngayon, worth it ba siya? So, pagka wala kang na-refer or isa lang, up to 12 level yung maximum. Okay? 8,190 people yan. So, from first to fourth level, ang kikitain mo is $0.50 to $8 per month. So, hindi pa siya enough. Hindi pa siya enough. Pero wag kang mainip. Ang negosyong to ay bawal sa mainipin. Alright? So, kung mainip, ngayon, pag umapo yan, 5 to 12 level, ang max, minimum kikitain mo is 16. And max is 2,047.50 per month. To tell you, this is enough already to pay your 9.95 subscription monthly. And the best part, you're now in profits levels. Yes. Okay? Pero bigyan kita scenario, what if 1 year? So, ito yung 1 year na po ni matrix mo, that is 6,000 plus pesos na gastos mo, tama. And after 1 year, nag-113,000 ka na per month. Yes, per month po. Kasi mayroon kang subscriber under you Okay, sulit ba or sobrang sulit? Of course. Sabihin natin 3 years. Sa 3 years na yan, ginastos mo is 20,000. And after 3 years, nag-113,000 ka na. Ang tanong, sulit o sulit? Sobrang sulit. Even 5 years, guys. Sa 5 years, 33,000 plus yung gigastusin mo lang. Pero right after 5 years, nag-113 ka na. Ayan, so, hindi ka pa rin lugi. Alright? Sobrang sulit pa rin. And even 10 to 12 years, guys, 60 to 70 plus thousand yung ginastos mo. Pero nag-113,000 ka naman. Sobrang sulit pa rin. And to give idea, yung 6,020 and 33,000, hindi na pwede kong nagpapalabas dyan. Saan niya kinukuha? Dyan. Huwag ka lang mainip. Paapawin mo lang ng 5 to 12 level. Okay? So, parang nababayad na siya ng sarili niya. Okay? And, the best part ito kasi pensionado ka na. Kumikita ka na every single month. O, lupit, no? Ganun katindi. Pero ito pa, no? Bakit namin encourage mag-refer ka kaysa maghintay sa spillover? Okay? O, pag nag-refer ka, may napajoin ka, isang referral, weekly siya binibigay. The following week, $25. Whereas, para kumita ka sa spillover or sa matrix ng $25, 100 muna katao. Lalagay, Andrew. Ibuti kung ikaw lang yung tao. Marami din kailangang paglagyan, di ba? O, sa kabilang side, di ba, apply mo. So, medyo mabagal talaga siya. Alright? So, ngayon, pag nakapag-refer ka ng dalawa, $50. And, sa matrix naman, 200 muna ka tao yung kailangan mo para kumita $50. O, di ba? So, anong gusto mo? Weekly, monthly? Di ba? Yung immediate, yung maghihintay ka talaga. Di ba? So, mas maganda na kung kaya mo naman bilisan, di why not? Di ba? Refer ka na lang. Isa maghintay, maiinip ka lang. Sa totoo lang, maiinip ka. Okay? So, ito naman is wealthy money na matching bonus. Ayan. Ito naman is, dito yung pairing na one left, one right. Hindi po. Monthly bonus of 50% from what your directs earn every month from their matrix. Yan. O, ito yung sample, no? For example, si Juan, kumita ng $1,000. So, yung matching, ima-match yan sa'yo. Yan. Okay, 50%. So, meron kang $500. Okay? Yan. Si Pedro, kumita $500. May $250 ka. Si Maria, $100. May $50 ka. Si Marites, instead ng kapitbahay, ito na ni Chismis, kumikita pa. O, $200 ginita niya. Ikaw, may 50%. $100. Ito matindi. Infinite wide. Unlimited yung pwede mong sponsor. Oh, grabe, no? Matindi. Malupit talaga. Okay po. Ayan. So, yan po yung ating matching bonus. Ito naman po ay yung generational. So, that means na, para may idea kayo, hindi ka lang kikita sa directs niya, kundi sa entire team niya. Sa buong grupo po niya. Grabe. For example, Diamond, hindi ka lang pang, pang 50%. Meron ka pang 10, yung 5, and 3. Malupit talaga. Diba? Oo. Ganun po. Ito naman po yung matching bonus sample. So, power of 10. Yan yung 10. Nag-refer ng 10. Yan. Okay. So, yan. Yan po yung sample. $39. Okay. Pag at least nag-diamond ka. Okay. So, ngayon, bakit namin encourage na pa-join nyo yung family nyo? Okay. Ito po kasi yan. Pag napuna kasi yung matrix mo as a bronze, 4,095.50 pwede yung kitain. Dahil na-refer mo yung dalawang family member mo, kahit dalawa muna, kung di mo kaya lahat. Okay, dalawa lang. Kikitain nila is 2,047.50. Full matrix. Full yung matrix nila. So, kaya 4,085. So, may 50% ka. Doon is 2,047.50. So, kayong lahat, yung tatlo, kikitain nyo as bronze. Is that? Darating yung time, no? It can be 2, 3, or even 5, 10 years. Depende is $500,000 monthly income. Guys, that is month after month, after month, after month, after month. Grabe talaga, no? O, sabihin natin, syempre, masinipagan mo. Di ba? Ito, kaya nga ng nanay yan eh. Di ba? Kasi may kakilala, kamag-anak, katropa. Di ba? Mga ka-Facebook, ka-TikTok, ka-Marites. So, let's say na yung, napuni matrix, kumita sila ng 2,047.50. Okay? Yan, yung 20 mo. So, may matching ka, 1,023.75, 50%. Alright? So, $20,475 or that is 1.1 million pesos month after month after month after month after month. Grabe talaga. Imagine mo, anong buhay naghihintay sa'yo pag ganyan kinikita mo? Grabe, no? Alright, so let's proceed. So 30 direct, sabihin natin bronze sila, kumita sila ng $6,000 sa matrix. May kalahati ka, 3,000. Yan, so 90,000 lahat and dollars, and that is 5 million pesos month after month after month after month. Grabe. Pero guys, here's the vision. 100 solid direct referral. That means diamond sila. Kitain nila is 16,000 plus dollars. Right? Oh. Lahat sila, maximum. And meron ka namang 8,091.75. Okay? So, all in all, kikitain mo sa 100 na yan is 119,175. That is 45 million pesos month after month after month after month. Grabe, no? Imagine mo kung ganyan kinikita mo. Yun yung mga matutulungan mo. Anong mga foundation mabibuild mo? Mga home for the age. Diba? Grabe, kahit pa sabihin natin 20 million nagagastos or 5 million. Yan, per month. Diba? 40 ka pa. So, grabe. Sobrang dami kang matutulungan. No? So, kailangan yan pa lang na-vision mo na. Nakikita mo na sarili mo. Alright? So, possible ba makapag-refer ng marami? Yan, tingnan nyo po. Yan, top 10 natin, 293. Yung top 1, 1,130. Grabe. Okay, grabe po talaga, no? Oh, so kaya naman eh kasi sila tao din. Diba? Inaral lang din nila. Ikaw aralin mo din, alright? Para mas maraming directs. Right? So, yan. Ito naman retail commissions is a 50% bonus price difference between member price and retail price. So, pag nagbebenta ka sa retail shop mo, so meron kang 50%. For example, may tubo to na, yan, like itong factor 4. Meron tong tubo na, let's say this is not exact amount, let's say mga $6. Right? So, mangyayari $3 sa'yo, $3 sa company mo sa benta ka. And, yan po, 10 levels deep din, parang, they call this one, weekly fast start. Yan. Infinite wide 10 levels deep. Influencer bonuses. Yan, you can earn up to 100%. So, di ba kanina, yung patong, di ba, 6, 3 sa'yo, 3 sa company. So, pag na-hit mo itong quota, kahit hindi ka literally influencer, hindi ka influencer, alright? So, pag ma-hit mo yan, is that, meron kang 50%. So, lahat yun, na $6, ibibigay sa'yo. Ganun kalupit, di ba? O, customer acquisition. Yan. When direct members place their first product order, 10% of that product is paid out as customer acquisition bonus. Same structure as fast start commissions and retail commissions. Okay? So, yan. Infinite wide din and 10 levels deep. And ito naman, piece of the pie money. Yan. So, diamond bonus pool, 2% of total sales from all membership and products. So, buong mundo yan. Yan, sales ng US, ng Europe, ng Asia, ng Africa. So, lahat yan. Okay? So, total monthly sales is 15,000, let's say. So, 15 million, I mean. 15 million times 2% is 300,000. That is 60 diamonds, let's say. Mayroon silang tigpa 5,000. Lupit, no? And ito naman, rich and famous money, crown diamond bonus pool. Ayan. So, ito 0.5% naman. So, right now, is that meron tayong dalawa pa lang sa buong mundo, crown diamond. Okay, so 15 million. Ayan, yung price niya, 0.5%. 75,000, that is two crown diamond is $37.5. That is millions pa rin. Okay? Millions pa rin. Grabe talaga. Okay? Yan, dyan po tayo papunta. Alright? So, yan po. Okay? So, ito po yung mga sample no, ng mga kumikita na. Actually, dito updated. And sa akin, di rin updated yan. Okay? So, it's only living proof, no? That your dreams can be possible, can live good. Alright? So, grabe po talaga nangyayari. So, right now, we have 1 million plus members in just 13 months. Eh, tingnan mo naman ito isang company. 260,000 members. And 30 years. Grabe, no? Okay, pero guys, nasa tip of the iceberg pa lang po tayo. Okay? 1 million subscribers kasi ano yan eh, first 10 million subscribers talaga. Alright? Yan. So, projection natin 3 to 5 million subscribers will be joining in December 2024. Right? And 20 to 200 million subscribers joining in the years to come. So guys, dalawang choice mo. Manood ka, sumabay ka. Manood ka and, sabihin mo sayang. Kinikita niya, sana kinikita ko rin. Or buti na lang. Yan. Buti na lang. Ayan. Buti na sumabay ako. Right now, maganda yung naging ako mo resulta dahil sa effort mo rin. Diba? So, the choice is yours, di ba? Lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang decisions na kailangang gawin sa buhay, everyday. Pero baka itong isang decision mo na gagawin dito, na gawin to, that ito yung isa sa mga makakatulong na mangat ka, magbago yung sitwasyon mo ngayon. Alright? So, grabe guys, no? Yun. To tell you, this is just a beginning. And ang paglipad nito, talagang hindi mo pipigilan eh. This plane of opportunity will surely fly. Alright? Kaya, ayan guys, decide habang maaga pa. Okay? And remove your doubt and fear. Okay? Ano bang mawawala sa'yo kung dati ka nang wala? Diba? Kaya subok lang. Subok lang kasi di mo alam. Diba? Para sa'yo to. Diba? So, if you join, we welcome you. But if you don't, we're still friends. Okay? So, yan po, no? So, yan guys. Here's the top 5 reasons why you should join. Number 1, we just officially launched globally. Again, nasa pillar stage pa lang po tayo. Okay? Yan. And high quality and of course, very affordable health products. And marketing system, tools, and trainings. So, lahat provided na even this presentation, no? Kami nagpapakapagod, magpaliwanag, ikaw taga-tanggap na lang ng mga sasali. Diba? So, ano nyo yan? Take advantage. Yung websites natin, of course, our trainings. And simple, powerful, and yet lucrative pay plan. So, very generous din. Grabe, no? Imagine mo, 9.25 pero grabe yung pwede mong kitain. Grabe talaga, as in, nakakabaliw po. Alright? Simple lang, kahit, kahit high school, kaya intindihin eh. Yung konsepto ng business. Okay? Oh. And napaka-generous pa. Matindi talaga. Lahat andito na. And of course, number 5, we have successful, fun, and winning team. Alright, diba? Okay, so ang tanong, are you A, B, or C? So if I were you, A ka na. Diba? Para hindi ka na magsayin ng oras. B and C. B and A. So get back with the person who invited you and let them know if you're an A, B, or C. Alright, so I'll leave you with this one verse, no? Yan sa Jeremiah 29:11. Sabi doon na, for you know the plans I have for you, trust the Lord. Plans to prosper, not to harm you. Plans to give you hope in a future. Alright? So if you really believe, diba, sa divine, kay God, kay Lord, Allah, diba? So dapat, paniwalaan mo din na may magandang plans sa buhay mo. Diba? And yung kailangan mo lang is take action. Ito, pinakita opportunity, hindi naman aksidente to eh. I believe ito aksidente. Diba? May reason to eh. Bakit yung nag-invite sa iyo is that kinulit ka, pinapunta ka talaga dito. Okay? Tandaan natin, faith without work is dead. If you have faith naman, kung yan, kulang sa trabaho din, kulang sa pag-grab ng opportunity, tamang opportunity. Alright? So with that, thank you so much. Ayan guys, hopefully is that nabigyan ko kayo ng value, okay, sa ating presentation, and looking forward